With continuity camera, you can use iPhone as your webcam. Pop this stand on my iPhone and attach it to my display. We're working with Belkin to offer beautiful stands to hold your iPhone at the perfect height and angle. These will be available later this year.
What? Oh God, please, no! No!
Later this year? No, I want it now!
1 hour later.
Hi guys, in 2022 WWDC, Apple introduced the continuity camera feature. However, if we are going to mount our iPhone onto the MacBook, there's a problem. We don't have the MagSafe mount yet. So today, we're going to try to mount our iPhone onto a MacBook without MagSafe. And we are using a very cheap method. We're going to use a cheap cable tie to put our iPhone onto a MacBook and use it as a webcam. And let's get started. So here is the cable tie, and this kind of cable tie is that you can adjust the cable tie and reuse the cable tie. I find that there's a hook big enough that we can attach it onto the MacBook screen. You can easily put the cable tie onto a MacBook like this. For balancing, we are going to use two of the cable ties, put it like this. We are going to use the cable ties to lock the iPhone inside so that our iPhone will be over here. That's it on the iPhone. Here, we are going to use iPhone XS as an example. This iPhone doesn't have a MagSafe, so there's no way to put it onto the MacBook. So we can use the cable tie method to do that. Let's put on the cable tie for the iPhone XS. We have two cable ties and then we lock it into place like this. Make sure we have a cable tie in the middle, lock it tight. And we need to put on the other one. Turn like this, and lock it tight. Now we adjust the ties into place, like this. Let's mount it on the MacBook, like this. Okay, now our iPhone is mounted on the MacBook. Let's take a look at it.
Nice.
Now our iPhone is mounted like this. You can use it as a webcam. And for a MacBook, you can still adjust the MacBook angle like this. The mount is pretty secure and it's working pretty well. So if you don't have a MagSafe for your old iPhone, you can still use it like this and it works pretty well.